Have you heard about spaced repetition? It's a simple technique for effective learning. Here's how it works. After learning something new, review it after 1 day, then 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, and so on. Spaced repetition helps transfer knowledge from short term to long term memory, making your child's learning more efficient and effective. We use this technique in our English course, My Sound, where children learn and recall the sounds of English in an engaging way. Let's watch how enthusiastic my students are about using spaced repetition in a quiz form.
What is the position of articulation of the person?
Bilabial.
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 Oh, very good, Adrash. Come on, everyone.
What is the position of articulation of the girl sound?
Vila.
Lila.
Sure, sure. G. Sure? 100% sure? Let's see. Let's check now. Oh, correct. Very good, everyone. Very good. Everyone doing good. Well done. Arya, come on, answer. Well done. Next.
How many diphthongs are there in English? Eight.
Okay, let's give a chance to Arya. How many? Diphthongs. 8. Very good.
So, dear parents, try incorporating this spaced repetition into your child's learning routine and see the difference it makes. Happy learning. Thank you.